So the prices of the systeme.io plan for the startup was $27. It's now come down to $17, and that's confused a few people that are on it and would like to make the saving. They say if we downgrade to free in order to re-upgrade to the new lower priced plan, then we're going to lose our sites, we're going to lose our automations, our email. No, you don't. And this is how you do it. So this is the new price here, $17, and for that you get an awful lot of features. So we've got the 2,000 contacts for your email, unlimited email sending. You can do one campaign, unlimited email newsletters, automation rules and workflows, one of those each, API requests per minute 30, sales funnels 3, sales funnel steps 15, deadline funnels, and then we got the A/B split testing, custom domains, etc. So you get all that on the free plan. But for $17 now, instead of 27, you get 5,000 emails, unlimited emails, 10 email campaigns. This is more realistic now if you're serious about your business. So the free plan for getting used to it, once you know you can use it and it is easy, then you can go on to the startup, which is now $17. And automation rules, 10, 5 workflows, 60 API requests per minute. That's if you interconnect other things outside of the system. Sales funnel is 10, sales funnel steps 50, and then A/B split tests go up to 10. File storage is unlimited. How generous is that? One-click upsells and order bumps, 10 a piece, and transaction fees, there aren't any. You've got a booking calendar as well. You can have 5 of those, unlimited bookings, and you've got payment processes. I could go on, it goes on and on and on and on all down the page of all the things you get. Now, on other platforms, this is $199 a month. Honestly, go and check. ClickFunnels springs to mind. And you get all this for $17. So, the latest news from systeme.io is this is how you can benefit from the new startup price. If you already have an existing subscription, you don't need to panic. Cancel your current subscription via the settings and manage my subscriptions. After cancellation, your current plan stays active until the next renewal date, so you won't get charged again. Once your subscription ends, you'll automatically return to the freemium plan. You won't lose any content. But note, you'll get daily reminder emails for 3 days and a final email notification when your email gets restricted on the 4th, when your account rather gets restricted on the 4th day. Upgrade again to the startup plan, this time benefiting from the $10 savings. Instead of $27 a month, it's just $17. And then nothing will be affected. You won't need to change your domain or reroute anything or reintegrate your emails, change your payment processing credentials, anything like that. It's all staying the same. So that's how you do it, and that's how you can save a few dollars every month, well, $10 to be precise. If you go for annually, you get 2 months free. So there we are. It works out at just $170 a year. That's less than you pay a month for ClickFunnels and other such like plans from other vendors. Easy to use, affordable. If you're serious about your business, come on to this. You won't go wrong. I'll leave a link up so that you can click it and I can get you help, give you help getting started. At systeme.io, if you're changing your plan, if you're already on it. If you're not on it yet, you can go straight on to the startup at this special monthly price, just $17. Wow.